path where the light can't hide. The shadow watch me but me not confide. The road is rough but me spirit glide. For the wicked them, me no abide. Me heart beat drum, it a guide me way. Through the fire, through the stormy spray. The truth can't bend, it can't betray. Me soul a walk, me can't delay. Soul walk, me say me soul walk on the rock. Soul walk, on the flame, on the road we talk. Soul walk, yeah me soul walk. Every step is a prayer, every breath a spark. Me foot them bare but the earth them know. Roots run deep where the good seed grow. Me eye them sharp like a arrow bow. The wisdom flow, me can't let go. The breeze whisper secrets in a me ear. The mountains say climb, no live in fear. The stars them chant, the ancestors near. Me soul a walk, the way is clear. Rivers rise and rivers fall, but me soul walk can't stall. One step, one fall. Let me soul walk. Just pure vibration, make we shout. Soul walk easy, soul walk free. Jah light guiding you and me. Every step a rhythm true. Soul walk me and you. Open up your heart, mind wide. Let the ancient wisdom ride. From the roots to the highest peak, every answer that you seek. Soul walk easy, soul walk free. Jah light guiding